Hey everyone, I am making a high vitamin C, paleo-keto vegan shake, and honestly I don't know how this is going to turn out, but I'm going to give it a try. So, we've got kale that I've already deveined using this tool. I've got some parsley that I took off the stems, some brain octane C8 MCT, some fresh cut ginger, some cocoa nibs, Chia Seeds, Lakanto Sweetener, Nutzo, which is cashews, almonds, Brazil nuts, flax seeds, chia seeds, hazelnuts, pumpkin seed, and sea salt. And I do have some other nut butters that you could use. This is Justin's almond butter. Here's a raw pecan butter, and then the golden peely nut butter, which is amazing. But honestly, these are probably too expensive. So I'd either do the almond butter or this Nutzo. Macadamia milk, I just wanted to try that. I thought it could taste good, unsweetened vanilla. I love macadamias. You got Hemp Hearts. And then if you want to break the vegan thing, you could add some collagen to this as well. So, I'm gonna throw in the kale, which again, high in vitamin C, and I took the stems out of. So it's actually not that bitter. Parsley, again, without the stems. So this smells good. It smells fresh. Got some fresh cut ginger. Add in about a tablespoon of the C8 MCTs. Nut butter. Again, this is not some normal nut butter. It has everything, but it's still paleo and vegan. So again, cashews, almonds, Brazil nuts, flax seeds. It's got all this. Add some cocoa nibs, which are high in fiber, high in flavor, high in polyphenols, which are heart healthy. I like the texture too. You get that strong coffee chocolate smell. Add some chia seeds, which have omega-3s and fiber. Hemp Hearts, which are again healthy in the amazing fatty acids and protein. Right? Add some of this vanilla unsweetened macadamia milk. I like how it's a little thicker too. I'm going to add a scoop of, again, heart healthy Arils from Pomegranate Seeds. And I'm gonna add a little bit of this Lakanto golden monk fruit sweetener, which is keto and paleo. And I thought that would be kind of a fun twist to this. You don't have to do this, but we'll add a little bit here. And we're gonna mix. See how this goes. I'm leaving it a little chunkier because I actually like that. But it's up to you if you like texture or not. So. Got a lot of good stuff in there. Healthy fats and plenty of fiber. Paleo, keto, vegan, high in vitamin C, which was the topic this week, which we believe to be protective against COVID and obviously a number of flus and viruses and colds and sickness, and you know, vitamin C is just one of the best things you could possibly do. It's good. It's actually a lot better than I was thinking it was going to be. It's pretty fresh. So I like it. You can obviously add more sweetness to it if you want. It's just got like a healthy, semi-sweet, savory flavor to it. It's not bitter. People were telling me that kale was going to be bitter, and I think if you devein them with this tool or doing it manually, I think it takes that away. So it just tastes like fresh greens that are lightly sweet. It's good. So another fun power up could be this for adding a touch of sweetness, a little bit of tart, and of course vitamin C with the lime, fresh squeezed lime. And then if you want to cut calories, you're dieting, this is just a snack and not a meal replacement, you can certainly add probably half the volume of macadamia nut milk or whatever milk you want to use, and use ice to blend. And I'm going to add some lime right now. That's it. Full shot of fresh squeezed lime. Super high vitamin C.